Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix this action isn't allowed issue on your YouTube account. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're having this problem guys, where you can't sign in, so this is happening because you are suspended by YouTube itself or Google, and your account has most probably been terminated. But there is a way on how you can fix this, but it depends on the situation. If you really didn't do anything, then you can like appeal to YouTube that you didn't mean to do it, and do so by going over to Google here and just type in YouTube account suspension on the search bar. And once you are done with that, you just have to go over here on the first link, and over here scroll down until you can see the form here. If you believe that your channel or account was mistakenly terminated, you can appeal using this form, so make sure to go ahead and use that. And over here you just have to input all of your fields here, the email address and URL of suspended YouTube channel, and you just have to briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended mistakenly. So you just have to put in here and type in and just press on submit, and Google will email you in a couple of business days on your Gmail. And make sure also that you are signed in to your account here on the upper right side, and that you are using that by while doing this method. So here you can also read this so you can know the terms and conditions. And there guys, so that is all for today guys. That is how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.